enough.
Hey Cybertruck owners, let's talk about a common mistake many of you are making when buying a Cybertruck. The first thing you do, you go and slap the protective film on your truck. I understand your concerns about boring silver color, fingerprints, or rust. Just kidding. Tesla cars, including Cybertruck, are rust resistant. But you will definitely face scratches on your fresh wrap, even if it is PPF. Remember, Cybertruck is bulletproof.
The Cybertruck is bulletproof to a 9mm for sure.
Its metal is unique, and so should be your approach to customizing it. You don't need to panic over shopping carts or scratches. That's the beauty of it. You can close the Cybertruck's door with your foot, your elbow, even a gun stock if you want. It's a feature no other car has. Why kill that with wrap? But I get it. You want your truck to stand out. But instead of a wrap, consider other cooler options. Option number 1, chroming. Polish it to a mirror shine, cheap and eye-catching. It will already look different than your neighbors. Overall, it will look as if you have a chromed wrap on your truck. This option is for those of you who still can't imagine a Cybertruck without a wrap. Option number 2, ionization. Go for gold or silver, literally. Since this is metal and it can be ionized, it can be gold or silver. Option number 3, engraving. Add some personality with custom designs. A little emblem, logo or drawing. Option number 4, custom painting. Turn your truck into a rolling art piece. Consider hiring a skilled artist. The large flat body panels of the Cybertruck have the potential to become a real work of art, showcasing your sense of beauty. These options preserve the Cybertruck's toughness while making it uniquely yours. So stop following that wrap madness and embrace the Cybertruck's true potential. We can help your Cybertruck to stand out without compromising its core features. Do Cybertruck style the right way.